Hello my beautiful girls, welcome to my channel Nivehairandmakeup, and today's video is going to be something different. I'm going to show you how to do front bangs. So for this I'm taking a pintail comb and I'm going to do a center partition. And now you get these bangs in Amazon and they are clip-in bangs, and I'm going to clip it right in the center of the center partition. Before even clipping, I'm combing it really well and then I'm unclipping it and then I'm going to fix it right now. And now I'm trying to blend the fake hair with my original hair. So in this case, the fake hair and my original hair, it looks one and the same. Now my front bangs, they are voluminous, but my back is not voluminous, so I'm going to go ahead and tease my crown area to give that lift and volume. And now it's time to take loads and loads of selfies. The look is complete and the bangs will be very secure, and you don't have to worry about the bangs falling off because they are perfectly in place. And that's it guys, I hope you like this video, and stay tuned to my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I'm planning to do lots and lots of easy tutorials on makeup and hair.